Hey, what's up, this is your girl Eunice, and welcome to my channel, Kinky Felisa. Today, I'm here to share with you a new regimen that I'm coming up with, and that is my dandruff control regimen. Now, I have been with dandruff for since my childhood. I have had dandruff in my hair, and I still have dandruff in my hair, and what I'm doing is just learning how to deal with this, because as you all know, or if you don't know, there's no cure for dandruff. You just learn to manage it. Now, over the past few months, I have tried dandruff dandruff formulated shampoos for my hair. Not necessarily DIYs, but store-bought. I tried Head and Shoulders. I tried one other brand that I have forgotten the name. I wish I had it here with me. So I tried those dandruff related shampoos, and it didn't really give me the best results with my dandruff, because I ended up having other side effects like itchy hair and also like more dandruff even after some weeks of washing my hair. Usually when I wash my hair, within 2 weeks I realize that the dandruff starts coming out, and within a month, Charlie, my dandruff, like, it's way overboard after a month. So I don't know how your dandruff is if you're watching this video, but you just have to be able to tell when your dandruff returns after you wash your hair. So that should be the landmark, or that should be the main point to identify how to be able to manage your dandruff. So personally, my dandruff comes back after 2 weeks of washing my hair, like after 2 weeks. So what I'm going to be doing is to manage my hair in such a way that I'll be able to deal with the dandruff like in every 2 weeks. So if your dandruff come back in like a week, I wouldn't really advise, especially since we have natural hair, and you can't be washing your hair every week, but you can be able to manage it till the next week, so that it'll be like every 2 weeks. So just one quick one that I want to share with you. Usually when I'm not ready to wash my hair and then my dandruff comes back, sometimes we all have busy schedules that we have busy schedules, and sometimes we extend our wash day routines. If you're like me or any other person, we can't religiously be following our wash day routine, even though we don't have to be skipping that much. I try as much as possible to control my dandruff in a way that I try to conceal it, like I hide it. Yeah, so that's what I do sometimes. I just consider, because this dandruff comes with some whitish substances in the hair, and sometimes it can be very, very, let me say, annoying, because you go out there and people are telling you, or you realize that like your hair feels like it's dirty even though it isn't. Sometimes I can wash my hair, and in like 2 days or 3 days, someone looks at me and be like, when was the last time you washed your hair? It's all the dandruff, but I know I'm talking much, but I just wanted to like elaborate on matters for you to know. So I use this to usually conceal the dandruff in my hair. This cream has been there for ages. If you're in Ghana, you already know this, or any part of the African continent. Some of you will know this. And this is like black like this. It is black. So usually I put it in the hair or on my scalp, where I feel like the whitish substance is showing, and it can be able to conceal it for like days before I wash my hair. So I usually use this. Sometimes even when I have product residues that are showing off like in my hair, I use this to conceal it. So you can try this if you have it around. You can just use it to conceal your dandruff for like days before you wash it, and you are good to go. But this is a dandruff regimen that I'm about to share with you. If you are interested, you can follow with it, because I'll be giving you updates. I'll also be sharing videos on what I'm doing to my hair, and also how it is coming by. So in this regimen, I have decided that I will be co-washing my hair as well as washing my hair, and I'll be using a combo of DIY products and normal store-bought product, normal store formulated products, just using them in hand to control my dandruff. Now I'm not going to be using any specific like dandruff formulated shampoo or conditioner or whatever, because I've tried those and I didn't really like them. So I'm just going to be trying my DIY like recipes as well as other products to see how well they'll be able to help me to manage my hair. So first off, on the second week of every month, I have decided that I'll be co-washing my hair, and I'll be doing that with a Cowash shampoo. So I have a DIY recipe that I'm going to be sharing on the channel. It's going to be the Cowash that I'll be using on my hair, the DIY one, and the other store-bought one is going to be cream of nature apple cider vinegar, like hair wash. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using for the co-wash aspect, and then I'm going to follow through with my normal conditioning and all over. And then when it's time for wash day, which is going to be the fourth Saturday of every month, I am going to be starting off with a scalp exfoliating treatment. Now this I do to exfoliate my scalp, and also with dandruff, with products that aid dandruff, with ingredients that aid dandruff. So I have a dandruff exfoliating DIY treatment that I'm going to be using for my scalp exfoliation. So that is just to help take off the dandruff that will be in my hair as at that time, and also like help my scalp like in all ways that would help me like treat my dandruff. So after that, I'll be following through with a normal shampoo. Sometimes I'll be alternating it with my DIY dandruff formulated shampoos, and all of this is to help me like manage my dandruff. So after that, I'll just follow through with my normal conditioning, deep conditioning, and all that. So basically that is how my regimen is going to be like, and I'm going to be doing that religiously for the next 6 months. I'm going to be doing that to be able to see if this particular regimen is going to be helping me with my dandruff, and if it does, then hooray, I'm just gonna be sticking to it. This is also tell you that when you have a new regimen, or when you have a hair care regimen that you're going to be trying out, you make sure that you do it for an extended period of time. That is to help you know if the regimen is working for you or not. You don't have to do it for 2 days, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 month and say, hey, it's not working. No, you just have to be consistent for a little bit, maybe 3 months, but I'm doing it 6 months to see how it's going to work for you. So basically, this is how I plan on dealing with my dandruff going forward. And if you have a way that you treat your dandruff, or if you have a way that you deal with your dandruff, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be very glad to know how you also deal with your dandruff. And if you don't have any regimen that is tailored towards like treating your dandruff, then you can join me on board, and let's see how we maneuver our way to deal with our dandruff in our hair. That being said, I have a Facebook page, an Instagram page. I'll be sharing more and more updates about this, and so you can just follow me on those pages. I would definitely put the link in the description box. You can follow me on those pages, and let's see how well we deal with our dandruff. I'd also be sharing videos of my scalp exfoliation treatments. I have that, and I'll also be sharing a video of my DIY co-wash that I'll be using for this dandruff control regimen. So I hope you come back to this channel. I hope you stick around. I hope you keep visiting the channel. I hope you subscribe to be able to see all these amazing videos that I'll be sharing going forward. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate that you have watched the video till this point, and I want to say thank you so much. I'll see you same time next week, and don't forget to come back to the channel same time, and let's see what I have for you. Thanks a lot, and as always, bye.